Good morning, Judy here from Thistledew Creations with a playing card swap that I got the other day from Laura Lee, Shop Latour in Yellowhead County, Alberta. We were in a playing card swap in Buy Nothing Scrapbooking, Canada. And it got held up by the postage strike, so I got it just after Christmas, but that's okay. There's a few Christmassy things in it, but that's fine. So there's a couple of altered index cards here with just a tab added to them. Gives me an idea. And in this little pocket that she made, looks like out of scrapbooking paper. And then she's decorated it with a doily and a tree. And another little layered tag, 3 tags of different sizes with a brad. I've never done any of those yet. I got to get on that. And then here's the playing cards themselves. This one I thought was very interesting. Cranium Ziggity, clear plastic, dodge a draw. I've never seen that before. So that one was neat. And then we've got some snowmen, and they are playing cards. And some Santas. And some puppy dogs from Hawaii. And artist collection dogs. So they got a picture of 3 dogs on the front and Sheba on the back. A little like porcelain doll themed one. Dog bones. Oh, that's cute. And it looks like a native Canadian one. Couple of those, a red one and a black one. Must have been a double deck. So it's a bunch of natives around a canoe with a Canadian flag. Not sure what that yellow flag is. And then a fox. Another Hawaii, the sunset. And I'll see your Phillips screwdriver and raise you a variable speed drill when dads play poker. A kitty cat one. Oops. With fish bones on the back. And Bear Smart playing cards. It says black bear tracks. The toe pads form an arc. There are no or very light claw imprints. So to know which kind of bear you see tracks of. Interesting. So thanks very much, Laura Lee. I imagine you got mine as well in exchange. So if you like to see contents of swaps and haul and Happy Meal videos, please subscribe. We do them all the time. We do as many swaps as we can. It's nice to get different supplies from all over the world. We've got things from Italy and Germany and Ireland and Scotland, everywhere. So it's a lot of fun. And so if you'd like to see what we're sending and receiving, do tune in. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Most of all, have a great day. Thanks for watching.